Hello guys, welcome to Wyme's YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about best low budget shoes of Nike. So let's get into the video.
Number 1. Nike Men Black Textile Revolution 5 Running Shoes. This Nike shoe is a very casual and comfortable product. It will give a decent look when you wear it. The shoe is very lightweight and giving a good quality sole structure. The soft foam cushions you stride and a reinforced heel delivers a smooth, stable ride. Crafted from knit material for breathable support, while a minimalist design fits in just about anywhere your day takes you. Number 2. Nike Women Black Revolution 6 Next Nature Running Shoes. This is very much fits for women's style. That violet, black and white combo is very attractive. It is made with at least 20% recycled material by weight. Old materials find new beginnings. Now you can find yours. It's a breathable design and flexible for a soft ride. So make an eye on this model. Number 3. Nike Men Blue Flex Control Training Shoes.
It's a pair of training or gym shoe. It gives a cushioned footbed, lightweight comfort and stability. If you want to buy a durable shoe with good looking and also budget friendly, I think this is the best video for you. So check out the design and make a good choice. Number 4. Nike Men White Solid Leather Zoom Lite 3 Hardcourt Tennis Shoes. This is my favorite pick of today's video, because these shoes have lot of features. With a springy Zoom Air unit in the forefoot, a grippy outsole and an incredibly comfortable padded collar, it delivers the padded performance you need to play at your best. Zoom Air unit in the forefoot feels springy and responsive features. Number 5. Nike Men Black Running Downshifter 11 Running Shoes. It's a decent pair of black running shoes. The midfoot stability, an all-new midfoot cage gives you the support you need for your run. A foam midsole delivers a responsive, cushioned feel. Additional flex grooves help your foot move naturally. So check out the design and make a good choice. That's it for today. Please support and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.